Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today it is Wednesday and time is 6:57 in the morning. So we have come on the terrace to do some exercise and some yoga. Okay, and you can see there is a slight lockdown, which there is a partial lockdown in our area. You can see. Okay, more zooming I cannot do. If they see again, they will complain. No, so nobody are there on terrace. Only she is there, and only I am there vlogging here. Okay, after yoga and after some exercise again I'll meet you. So I was saying that we will do some exercise and we will go. She is saying no, she want to do only yoga. She don't want to do any exercise. See her face. Daily like that only we will be coming. Any one time will come like this. Evening and morning will come like this. She will say she want to do yoga. We will do yoga and we will go forward. Okay. Now I will do yoga and down after going home. After 1 hour of studying again I will do exercise. Okay. Guys, just now we were doing yoga and she said today we are eating in morning we are eating ragi dosa and afternoon. In afternoon in lunch we are eating dalia and night we don't know what our mother will eat, that only we will eat. And did you see that time lapse? Sun rising up, clouds moving, birds is going there. See, where is the bird? They're gone. One more. Birds have not been captured, so like that I was shown. Okay, there one more is gone. Sorry. Okay, so you guys also comment what you guys ate the whole day. Okay, guys, do you have any idea? See, here we have the solar panels. Okay, for the geyser purpose, they will not do anything heating only. Again, we need to put electric ones. Okay, Kada? They will not do any work. They are like simply dumb lying over here, consuming the space. That's all. They are of no use. And this is solar. Okay, by the way, it's not working, I guess. Otherwise it might be done some work, right? Simply why will be it lying like this deadly? And I will show you that solar panels are there. It's actually a hospital. All the roof is covered with like solar. I think this lens cannot be that much zoom, but how much it is possible, that much I will show you. Okay, you can see that pole, right? This white pole here, this. Okay, here. I will put one arrow mark. Okay, that's only. Okay, that's all I want to show. And I will show you some greenery. Okay, near my house, like it is down, like you can say it's a mini garden. Okay, see, good, right? That day actually I showed you guys from down from my house. No, it is from terrace. No, so you will get some good view. Okay, one more time, shall I show you? That's all. Not so fancy. Okay, it's just simple. See, now it's like slightly traffic have been started. I said, it's only partial lockdown. Actually, it is phone lens. No, it is not zooming that much. So adjust. I'm going down. I'm done with my yoga session now for today. So now I'll go down. Okay. So guys, after coming down from the terrace after doing yoga session, I folded some clothes. Okay, of mine, and after that again I'm in the room for studying, and here she is. She will see some videos, it seems. So actually I have a shortage of internet. Okay, so if she gives me some internet with what she will see, only that only I should see. Otherwise for uploading 1 GB is going, and for studying purpose online classes some 2 GB is going. So 3 GB net from my mobile is exhausting completely from the day. And that's also, she has one Geo box. See what she will see, that only one I should see. Okay, I said you guys that I will post my that online class one screenshot I took, that I will post in the blog, but which I use a app Vita. Okay, So I use app Vita called for my editing and posting the videos. So in that, when I selected, only videos were coming, no photo was coming, matlab no image was coming, it was not showing. So I decided not to. So I forgot that time. So now I thought let's address that one. So you might think something why I did not post or like that. I'll try to post it now. No, it just like Zoom call it was going on, and that's all. Only class was going on, and that's all. So now I'll have my breakfast. I said you guys know on the terrace I will be having my dosa ragi dosa today in the morning now, and there in our locality there is a partial lockdown, not the complete lockdown. It has opened because the COVID cases are going down. It's very good for us. Even economy also should come into back to its cycle, right? So that if it spins, then country's economy will go down. Overall, it will improve wealth of the people, everything, and that's all. And you guys are wondering which online class I'm attending, which college I am, what is my what's my age, what am I studying now, like that all. Actually, now I'm 12th, okay, class 12th, okay. Uh, 12th, actually my whole 11th was on the online, but college was open for I think 2 months, 3 months something. I went for the college. After that again lockdown happened. So now even 12th is also going under lockdown also only. And when I was 10th, after actually first lockdown where it was declared after my 10th board exams, like my English exam was at the last. After my English exam, after some day, I think 1 or 2 days after that only, announcement came and it was completely shut, like seriously, like it was fabulous. No, it was not fabulous. It was very scary situation. That time people were very scared, but this time people are not scared, but situation is very scary. uh, Situations are like that. Okay, please guys take care, be home, okay. Go out if you have any work. Actually I'm not going anywhere outside. I'm in my house only, in my room only. In fact I'm not going outside also, okay. Today and my tuition classes have started. Now I'm going for my tuition. After coming back again I will meet you. After coming back now time is 2:50. Now 3 o'clock I need to be in the tuition. After coming home again it will be around 4 o'clock. So 4 to 5 will be online classes and then over. That's all. 2 to 3 hours. That's all. Tuition online class both combined. Coming back from tuition, okay. After coming back from tuition, I came home. Obviously, I will come home, right? Yeah, better it was 1 hour tuition later. But I said you after 1 hour tuition, I have online class. I need to attend even my online class also, right? So what happened? My online class link came actually on my WhatsApp at 11:30 morning, and I did not see the link. So my class missed it today. My mother was very angry on me today. I said from tomorrow I will not miss the class, and then that only I convinced my mother. And after that, I took bath because I ate lunch, and because I took bath and my dress is also changed. As you can see, because morning only yoga session was done. No, this workout was not done. So I did workout and I changed my clothes. I had my dinner. Now I'm ending the vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the vlog of today. And do hit like, do subscribe, share it with your friends, families, relatives. Okay. Show them this vlog. If they like it, then please say even them to hit like and do subscribe. Okay. If they like only, if they like this vlog, then only let them do subscribe and all. Okay. Forcefully, I don't want. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching.